Hi first graders, it's Miss Becky again today with a little reading lesson for you. And first I want to see if you guys can finish my sentences. What do you think would happen next, okay? This morning I wanted to have cereal for breakfast. So I got a bowl, and what did I do next? Yeah, I poured my cereal in and I poured my milk in. So if you predicted that that's what I was going to do next, awesome job. Try this one. After breakfast, I went into the bathroom and I got my toothbrush and I put toothpaste on it and I brushed my teeth. Awesome. So what you're doing there is predicting. You're deciding thinking about what happened, and you're making a prediction on what's going to happen next. So that's what I want to teach you that we do when we're reading as well. So today I want to teach you that when you read stories, you're looking ahead and imagining what's next. You think about what's already happened and predict what might happen next. All right? So let's take a look at a couple stories. This is from a Curious George book. And if you know Curious George, you know he's always getting into trouble. So here they're at the zoo, and they're going on like a little safari through the zoo. And look at Curious George up there. You know he's going to get into some kind of a trouble. He's on the top of the car. What do you think he's going to do next? What's going to happen? Is he going to stay in the car? No way! Curious George is jumping out of that car as fast as he can. He was so curious, and he's going to go visit a ton of different animals. Okay, let's try another one. This is a book called Bath Time for Biscuit, and the little girl is trying to get Biscuit to take a bath. And they're pulling on this blanket, and they say, "Silly puppies, let go." What do you think is going to happen next? Here's a hint. Look what's right behind the little girl. Oh boy, Biscuit's going to let go of the towel and... oh, she falls right on in there. Here's one more. Here's four little monkeys. You might know this song or this story. They're jumping on the bed. Here they are in the bed. They're jumping, and what's going to happen? What happens when you jump on beds? You fall. Oops. You fall and one of them bumped his head. Okay, so what you guys were doing there is you were thinking about what happened in the story, maybe what you know about that kind of book, and you were thinking what might happen next. And sometimes we're right, and sometimes we're not, and that's okay too. But we want to make sure that we're not just following the characters around in our stories. We want to kind of interact with them. And one way to do that is to stop every once in a while and think, what might happen next? And see if you were right as you keep turning the pages and reading. Okay, so today as you're reading, I want you to give that a try. Have a book or two, and as you're reading, find a couple spots where you can stop and say, what might happen next? And then turn the page, keep reading, and see if you were right. That's what we call predicting. All right, first graders? So grab a book or two. You can read online books if that's what you have. You can read books that you have in your house, whatever you want to be reading today. Read for maybe about 10 or 15 minutes and try and predict a couple times in your book about what's going to happen next. All right, readers, off you go. Have a great day.